Hello everyone. Welcome to Soothing English. Have you ever felt like your mind just won't stop? Thoughts racing about work, deadlines, relationships, bills, and the future, all swirling like a storm you can't escape. This is the reality for many of us. Our modern world is fast, demanding, and noisy. We're constantly pulled in different directions, and in that chaos, our inner peace often gets lost. But there's a practice, an ancient one, that offers a solution: meditation. For thousands of years, across cultures from India to China to Greece, meditation has been used to cultivate clarity, calm, and wisdom. And today, science is catching up, showing us exactly how meditation changes our brains, our emotions, and even our physical health. In this video, we'll dive deep into 6 fascinating benefits of meditation, with research, stories, and simple techniques you can use right away. And I encourage you, watch until the end, because benefit number 6 might completely transform how you see yourself and the people around you. Let's start with the most common reason people try meditation: stress relief. Stress activates our body's fight or flight system. Cortisol, the stress hormone, surges through the body, raising heart rate and blood pressure. In small doses, this response is helpful. It keeps us alert in dangerous situations. But in modern life, many of us live in a constant state of stress. Emails, traffic jams, arguments, financial worries. They all trigger the same ancient response, and the result is burnout, anxiety, and illness. Meditation interrupts this pattern. By focusing on the breath or silently repeating a calming phrase, we send signals to the nervous system. You are safe. You can relax. A study from Harvard found that after just 8 weeks of meditation, participants showed a decrease in the size of the amygdala, the brain's fear center, while areas linked to reasoning and emotional regulation grew stronger. Practical exercise. Try this. The next time you feel tension rising, pause. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold for 2, exhale slowly for 6. Repeat 5 times. Notice how your body softens and your mind clears. This simple pause is powerful. It teaches your brain a new habit: calm instead of chaos. In today's world, attention is a rare currency. The average person checks their phone about 96 times a day. Our attention span is shrinking, and it affects everything: our work, our studies, even our relationships. Meditation is like weightlifting for the brain. Each time your attention drifts and you gently bring it back, you're strengthening your mental muscles. Neuroscientists at the University of Wisconsin found that long-term meditators had stronger connections in the brain regions related to attention. Even beginners see results. One study showed that just 20 minutes of meditation a day improved memory and focus within a single week. Real-life example. Think about athletes. The best athletes aren't just physically strong, they're mentally focused. Many Olympic competitors use meditation or visualization techniques to sharpen concentration under pressure. Practical technique. Try a simple focus meditation. Set a timer for 2 minutes. Sit comfortably and pay attention only to your breath. Count 1 on the inhale, 2 on the exhale, up to 10, then start again. If you lose count, just gently return. This builds mental stamina. Over time, you'll notice you can read longer without distraction, work with clarity, and even listen more deeply in conversations. Meditation doesn't only calm stress, it changes your relationship with emotions. We all know how it feels to be caught in a spiral of worry, sadness, or anger. Meditation gives us a tool to step back and observe, instead of being overwhelmed. It's like sitting on a riverbank, watching thoughts and feelings flow by like water. You don't have to jump in. You just notice. This simple act of observing brings incredible freedom. Research published in Psychiatry Research found that people who practiced meditation for 8 weeks reported lower levels of anxiety and depression, and their brain scans showed increased activity in the regions linked to joy and compassion. Real-life example. Oprah Winfrey, who has openly shared her struggles with stress, practices meditation daily. She says it helps her find clarity and emotional balance, allowing her to lead with calm instead of chaos. Practical exercise. Each morning, take 2 minutes to practice gratitude meditation. Close your eyes and think of 3 small things you appreciate: a good meal, a kind word, or even the air filling your lungs. This rewires your brain to notice positivity, shifting your emotional state throughout the day. Sleep is the foundation of health, but millions suffer from insomnia. Often it's not the body, it's the racing mind that keeps us awake. Meditation is proven to calm the mind before bed. By focusing on breath or performing a gentle body scan, you shift out of problem-solving mode and into rest mode. A study in JAMA Internal Medicine found that older adults with sleep issues who practiced mindfulness meditation slept longer, had better quality sleep, and reported less daytime fatigue. Practical technique. Try this tonight. As you lie in bed, close your eyes. Start at your toes, notice any tension, and imagine it softening with each exhale. Move slowly upward through your body, releasing tension as you go. By the time you reach your head, your body is ready for sleep. Even 5 to 10 minutes of this can be more effective than scrolling on your phone or counting sheep. Here's something fascinating. Meditation doesn't only benefit the mind, it affects the entire body. Studies show meditation can lower blood pressure, reduce chronic pain, and even strengthen the immune system. Why? Stress wears the body down, but meditation reduces cortisol, lowers heart rate, and decreases inflammation, the root of many illnesses, from heart disease to arthritis. In one study at Massachusetts General Hospital, participants who meditated for 8 weeks showed not only reduced stress, but also physical improvements in blood pressure and overall health. Practical application. You can integrate mindfulness into daily activities. For example, when eating, slow down. Notice the colors, textures, and taste of your food. Mindful eating improves digestion, prevents overeating, and makes meals more satisfying. So meditation isn't just a mental practice, it's a holistic health tool. And finally, the most beautiful benefit, meditation expands self-awareness and compassion. Through practices like loving kindness meditation, you repeat phrases of goodwill. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be at peace. Then you extend it to loved ones, strangers, and even people you find difficult. Over time, this rewires the brain for empathy. A study from the University of Wisconsin found that compassion meditation increased activity in brain regions linked to love and social connection. Real-life example. The Dalai Lama, a lifelong meditation practitioner, often says, "My religion is kindness." Through meditation, he trains his mind to respond with compassion, even in conflict. Practical exercise. Next time you're angry at someone, pause and breathe. Silently remind yourself, just like me, this person wants happiness. Just like me, they have struggles. This doesn't excuse bad behavior, but it shifts your perspective from judgment to understanding. So, let's recap the 6 fascinating benefits of meditation. It reduces stress, it sharpens focus and concentration, it enhances emotional well-being, it improves sleep, it supports physical health, and it expands self-awareness and compassion. Meditation is not about escaping life. It's about showing up more fully. It doesn't require hours of silence or special equipment. You can begin right now with just one breath. Start small, 2 to 5 minutes a day. Be patient with yourself. Some days the mind will wander, and that's okay. The practice is not about perfection. It's about returning again and again to presence. Over time, meditation becomes more than a practice. It becomes a way of living, calmer, kinder, and more connected. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on mindfulness, health, and personal growth. See you later with next topic. Goodbye.